Hello everybody, my desk chair has broke. And I can see why, because it had a weak link right here. So see if we can get it fixed up enough where I can at least use it again. Because this is kind of getting ridiculous. A little bit floppy there.
We get it.
Well, here's my plan.
You make a new plan.
I made a mark on this plywood here because I want to overlap this gap here. And then I measured down from the line down to my screw hole on each side. And then I got the measurement. It was 4 5/8 to the screw holes. So I just got to drill those out now. Probably be 1/4 inch holes. And I had also marked the centers of my screw holes on the end there, like so. So we'll see what happens here. And all the sawdust goes in the trash can. So I just got enough thread there to bite, so that's awesome. Alrighty. Those are both screw in now, so good. So my next step, I'm going to get some wood glue going. And no, this isn't the right way to fix it, but just for quick and dirty, it'll be suitable. And then put my screws in here. Work in a little more glue behind there. Decent. And then I'll go ahead and tighten these screws here. Well, of course, that one's not wanting to line up. after all that gluing, so that's about typical. This will definitely be, if you squint, it's mint. Probably ought to put some shims in there. See what I can find out in the old workshop. I'm going to start by putting some screws here, here, and here, and here. Go ahead and drill some pilot holes. Don't want to use too long of screws so they don't poke the old butt. I've got the additional piece of plywood on there. Got shims on each end, so it's quite secure now. So now the trick's going to be to get that put back together where that base goes on there. Hopefully I got enough threads. Gonna be close, but we'll give it a shot. We'll come back when I get it back together. Well, good news. I got it all back together. I had suspected I would have to get some longer bolts for the front two, and that's exactly what happened. But it's done, put back together, and hopefully it's going to hold up. I'm going to put it back down on the chair mat and give it a test. Okay, here's the live test. First time I've sat in it. I know I've got to reattach the cardboard at the bottom of it, but that's a minor detail. Beautiful. Well, I dropped my screw bits, so we'll pick those up, and this repair will be completed. As suspected, I had to compensate with some washers on the back two bolts because it was leaning just a little bit too far back. So theoretically it should be back to sitting normally, just like a ½ inch higher up, but that's okay. Well, let's go for test number 2. I think it's going to be better. Yep. That'll do it. It's been leaning forward so long, I forgot how this felt in the upright position. So that's awesome. Yep. That's it right there. And no screws are poking my butt, so we're all good there. So once again, this has been repairing my desk chair rather than throwing it away and buying a new one. Thank you for watching.